Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with a Daiso haul. I'm super excited to share with you some of the items I found in our local Daiso. And a lot of the stores will vary. If I go to San Francisco, they'll have some things that my store won't have. But I was super happy to find a bunch of stuff. Stationery items. Starting off with this adorable, almost plushy feeling pencil case here. And I love the little loop. It's a zippered pouch and it's lined. I just love this. This is so cute to carry your pens, erasers, and pencils and washi in. Here's another one that I really liked. It's a little tote bag with a drawstring kind of closure. And I bought it for my daughter, Emmy. She's been going on a lot of field trips lately, and I thought this would be fun to take with her to bring her lunch and drink in there. Another cute item that I thought, and I should go maybe by category, but we'll just go in a different order here. But this is one that I like to use for journaling, for your planning. So you have a 3-pack, 25 sheets for each of the designs. How adorable is this? And then I also got a few of these My Melody items. So here's one with My Melody. I got it for my daughter Lil for her to use some of her simple facial wipes. And then in here, I just put some of the Daiso lotion tissue. These are super soft and awesome. And I think the set comes with either 10 of these of these packs, right? And it's so easy to, again, pack that on the go with you. So I love this one. And then we have the little twin stars headband that you're gonna laugh, I bought for myself. I love these guys. I grew up with their stationery and stickers, so I had to get it for myself. And then I went ahead and also got some of these little cases here that I'm gonna be using for some ephemera storage in my craft area. It's a big mess right now, so I got a couple of these. And so what it looks like inside, so you know what the compartments are. There's 4 boxes, and these can definitely fit 3x4 card sizes. And you have this one here, and then 2 of the more smaller ones in there. So we have that. And then another cute item. And this haul will have a lot of these cute things. So here's one. It comes with 6 of these cute, adorable little teddy bear plastic wraps. And in the back, it comes with these pom-pom twist ties, which I thought was super adorable. Another item that I got, I did get one of these cutters from Daiso, not this one, but it was a smaller one that you had to hold down while you were cutting, so I didn't like that. So I went ahead and got one of these. So you just kind of, this one's easier to manage, and this guy's super cute. His name's Cheese, so got that one. Also got these adorable, it says Fua seals of these hedgehogs. And there are 5 designs and 8 pieces for each design. So they're puffy stickers with hearts. And then you have these images that are in here. So these are perfect to share for snail mail. Also got a set of these Hello Bear pen sets. We love these. So I got one for my daughter Lil, and this one's for her friend that she's going to include in a gift box. And here's another pen that I thought was cute. I think it's a perfect for spring and just for the novelty of having that little sprout at the top on the cover. And it is a ballpoint pen with a plant on top. How adorable is that? And then I also went ahead and got a few more of these Hello Bear notepads that I'm also going to be sharing in snail mail, and I'll be showing you how to make a cute, super easy booklet with this one. So it comes with a set of 2, and I'll just show you what the other one looks like here. Hold on. Look how cute this bear is. I love this. And definitely these sheets again are perfect for snail mail sharing. There's so much. You can also add this in your journal. They make great journal sheets or inserts that you can add. And then we have, there is so much to share. Hold on. This other set, and this one's a little bit more different. So we have the bear in the car, and he is on an airplane on the other side here. Okay. Now I found these beautiful notebooks. So I got one for Ems as a sketchbook, and she's gonna decorate this with some Mod Podge paper art. Look how beautiful these pages are, and then you have a little ribbon as a bookmark. And this is one for my daughter Lil as well, and I think it's perfect to put, you know, when we're traveling and they want a journal. So we'll both decorate this. So we'll work on that as a project. Here is an adorable notebook. I just love the colors, and I love that it has these clear dividers here with different tabs, so you can definitely assign it. If you prefer, for example, a planner or journal with no dates or year, I think this would be a perfect type of little notebook that you can use. So I love this one. I'm going to put that on the side. Here's one that's really nice as well, perfect for the summer. And again, the pages of these notebooks are really nice and smooth to write on, and that's why I love them. I love buying notebooks from Daiso, and also again for that price point, $1.50. Next, we have these adorable stickers, perfect for spring journaling and planning. I love the postage stamp and these adorable cute creatures, so love that one. And then I got this sticker seal for my daughter's friend, and she's going to include this. She loves boba, so I thought this would be perfect. She has 24 of these stickers, 6 designs and 2 sheets. So we have that to share. And then they had other stickers as well. Sticker seals here, this time with sushi. So we're going to give that. And then have this other one with dango and yaki. So I'm going to share some of this with my friend Joanne. She recently went to Japan. I think she might want to add this to her traveler's notebook journal. And then I was super excited to see these stickers here, and I love these. I think it's so cute. I just love it. They have different stickers with different outfits and stuff, like makeup. So I got a few of those also that I want to share with some snail mail friends. Here's one that I got from my friend Joanne, and I'm thinking she might want to like it, like to add this as well to her traveler's notebook. There's some really cute stickers here that I think she will like. And then we have this one that has more of a kind of retro feel, but I like it as a teen, kind of teeny bopper type vibe, so I'm going to share this with my daughter. Lil got an extra one of those. And then we have this one, again, super cute little items that you can use for planning. Stickers over there. And then we have some of these beautiful sticky memo film page flags that I'm excited to use as well in my planner. And then so many things. So here, I got a few of these. Again, sharing some of these with some snail mail friends. They are basically book covers, and they have a zippered pouch. So perfect for your B6 notebooks. So that one's fun. And then I have these adorable, look how cute these zipper bags are, again with this little teddy bear holding a piece of chocolate cookie, it looks like. And you can store little sticker flakes in there, ephemera that you want to share in snail mail. So that's what I'm using it for. And then speaking of sticker flakes, here is one with this cute teddy bear in 2 colors, brown and this lighter colored beige, with some hearts and stars, 50 pieces, super cute. And these are perfect also letter seals that you can use for snail mail. A few more notebooks, and these, I love little notebooks, and this one was just irresistible. Look at that pocket. It has a pocket. I love it. So I can put my little stickers there or washi little tags that I usually put in my little, what do you call it, pencil case. Be nice and handy to have it in there. So you have a set of 2, and let's see if they are lined pages, and I think one of them is, let's just take a look. So that's what it looks like. Look how cute, lined pages, and both of them are lined. So I like that. Now this one, I will say, the page is not as smooth as the other notebooks, but I still love that pocket feature. And then I got these beautiful gift wrapping bags that are perfect, again, to package some snail mail. It says with love with a tag. So you get a set of 10. So this one I got for Emmy, for her to play with. These are some anime paper dolls, and I'm sending one to a friend in our swap. I think she will love this. These are fun. I think they might be stickers. It's pretty big. I will open one, but I don't want to spoil the surprise for my friend, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep it the way it is. So I got a couple of those, one for my daughter Emmy and my friend. Another item that I picked up was the set of 3 B5 notebooks, super deal, $1.50 for 3. And these have lined pages and are similar to the ones I showed you earlier. So I'm going to be sharing some of that with my daughter Lil. And then we have this cookie roller, which I'm actually using for some of my mixed media art when you do napkin transfers for journal cards and other Mod Podge projects. I thought this would be a great tool to kind of try out and use instead of buying those paint rollers. So we'll try that out. And then here's a cute little item to add to the sink. It's an alternative to having, you know, like a sponge holder. And I actually like this one. I like my sponge holders to have a drain because I don't like the water collecting underneath the holder. So this one is like a Velcro type sticker that you put on your sink and you attach your sponge there. And so the liquid just drips in the sink, which is something I really prefer. So that one I'm excited to use as well. And then here's a beautiful decorative item with flowers. It actually says it's glass potpourri case. There is no scent. I smelled it, but I just like the look of the purple dried petals in here. So I'll put it in my little corner in the guest room by my craft table. And then next I'm going to show you some washi tape that I did get. So I got some washi tape, and I like this in particular because of the stamp looking washi, and also it had animals, so I love dogs, and there's ducks. Another one that I did get and I was excited to find were these bird washies. I have a bird journal that I'll be sharing with you soon. So there's 2 thin ones. The thin one looks like this print, and the thicker washi looks like the top print there. And finally also got another one with dogs. So you have the thick one on the top for the design and the bottom. So for dog lovers, you can find this washi in Daiso. And finally, got a couple of these large Sumi brushes. I'm planning to do a kind of mixed media paint experiment, creating some marbling on paper or on a journal page. So I got that to try it out. And then I also wanted to try their ink. This one, they only had it in one color. I might have to look online and see if they have a set of different colors. So this is a Sumi drawing ink, and it has a lot. So I'm excited to test it out and see if it works. Hope you guys enjoyed this Daiso haul. Look out for a planning on a budget video featuring some of these Daiso items and some journaling and PENPAL videos coming up soon. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye!